Abu Ishaq says that he said to Aswad bin Yazid, "Tell me the hadith in which you asked Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha about the prayer of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He said that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would go to sleep in the first session of the night and awake in the last session. If he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would need his wife, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would fulfill his desire and then go to sleep. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then would awake up with the first prayer call. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha did not say he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would pour water on himself. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, nor did she radiyallahu anha say he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would take a bath, and I know extremely well what she intended. If he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not in a state which necessitates a bath, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform ablution and then perform 2 units. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1725.